Hey you guys, it's Miss Alexander with some more math strategies. Today we're going to be working with division. I know some people struggle with division, but we're going to start it off with the standard division sign. So I'm going to multiply, I'm going to put up my division sign. Everybody knows what it looks like. It's just nice and simple. I'm going to I'm going to divide 13 into 136. So, first thing you're going to do, I'm going to try to keep this separate. 13 goes into 1 how many times? 13 can't go into 1. We're going to put a 0. So we know that this column is taken. Does 13 go into 13? How many times, you guys? 13 times what gives me 13? Okay, it is 1. I'm going to put a 1 over the 3. And now I'm going to subtract the 13 because 1 times 13 is 13. This gives me a 0. I bring down my 6. Can 13 go into 6, you guys? No. So I'm going to put a 0 here. And if we were doing decimals, we'd keep going. But right now, I am done. I'm going to put a remainder 6. So 13 into 136 is 10 remainder 6. So that is your standard division. And now we're going to quick go into standard division with decimal. I'm going to get your new number, you guys. Let's do my division sign. We're going to do 15 divided by 222. So, being I have it right here, I'm going to put a decimal right here in case I need to add a 0. So the first thing I'm going to do, can 15 go into 2? No. So right up here I put a 0. Can 15 go into 22? You're right, it goes in 1 time. So I'm going to subtract 15 because 1 times 15 is 15. Now I'm going to have to regroup so that I can make sure I have enough numbers because 2, I cannot take 5 away from 2. So I'm going to come over here, cross out my 2, make it a 1, and turn this 2 into a 12. 12 take away 5s. How many, you guys? You're right. It is 7. I'm going to bring down my 2. Look, I get to draw an arrow. It's kind of like a picture for some of you. So does 15 go into 72? So this is a couple ways you could do it. You could do it where you can multiply it through, or you could just subtract. One way or the other. So I'm going to show you how to do it if you don't know your multiplication. I'm going to subtract 15. I'm going to regroup. This becomes 12. This is 7. 6 minus 1 is 5. I'm going to subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. I'm actually going to subtract again. And this becomes a 12. This becomes a 3. We have 7 and 3 minus 1 is 2. Ladies and gentlemen, I have to go up over here. 27 minus 15. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 minus 1. I cannot take 15 out of 12 because 12 is smaller. So all I have to do now is count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4. So up here I put a 4. Now, being I have the 12, I'm going to actually add a 0, which will help over here so I can get a number so that I don't keep on going. But what I've got to do up here is bring my decimal up. So I'm going to bring it up, and this is actually going to go all the way down, all the way over. I'm going to put the 0 there. Again, does 15 go into 120? Okay, you guys, this is where Miss Alexander is going to do her math. I know 15 times. I'm going to try 6. 15 times 6. That gives me 30. That gives me 90. So, knowing that, I'm going to try 8. Okay, guys, I'm going off just common knowledge saying that this is close to here. So I'm going to go over here and do 15 times 8. I know 5 times 8 is 40. I carry my 4. 8 plus 12, 8 plus 4 is 12. So I know over here, I'm going to write 8, and I'm going to do 120 and subtract. Ladies and gentlemen, the only reason I didn't just start subtracting 15 is because I'm running out of room. So, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so you can learn more strategies. And remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle, and I'll talk to you later.